Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, it is so open and so glaring that they had no other choice but to do this. Guys, I bring you this. EFCC confirms corruption amongst officers, begs Nigerians. So we all know, of course, that EFCC is corrupt, especially with them catching one 419 person in the one hand and releasing him with the other hand, catching a politician with one hand and releasing him with the other hand. What is his name? Hush Puppy is still soaking Gary in an American penitentiary, whilst Monfa is in Lagos in the best choice hotels that the city has to offer. So again, the headline: EFCC confirms corruption amongst its officers, begs Nigerians. So now let's now see what admission is being made by the supposed anti-corruption agency. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, has admitted that some of its officials are corrupt. EFCC zonal head in Lagos, Abdul Rashid Bawa, said officials of the commission caught involved in corrupt practices are prosecuted. Bawa stated this whilst responding to questions on TVC on Wednesday. He also urged Nigerians to help identify corrupt officials of the anti-graft agency. Certainly, we are not angels. There are some bad elements within the system, but we charge them to court whenever they are caught. We need Nigerians to help us call out any corrupt EFCC official they come across, Bawa said. This is coming at a time the presidency is investigating suspended acting EFCC chairman Ibrahim Magu over alleged corrupt practices. Magu's ongoing probe is an offshoot of an indictment by the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami. Malami had accused Magu of misappropriation and corruption. So the last line, of course, is the most telling. Malami, who we know that is a notorious thief within the Nigerian system, just is a dollar billionaire multiple times over now, by the way, within just the short 4 years or so, 5 years that he has been imposed. He has gone from being an average God day sort of lawyer to now a fantastically wealthy man, hiring private jets all over the place and building mansions and hotels as though it was running out of fashion, as though there was a time limit on when to do it. Just back to back massive building constructions all over the country, as this guy has suddenly fallen into sudden wealth. So this is the guy that has led to the arrest of Magu, but then of course the organization itself has just come out into the public space now to admit that they're all thieves. What says you? EFCC, the anti-graft agency, is admitting graft within its ranks. The irony of it. Conversations in the comment section. Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done the clickings, come tell me then what you're making of this admission that has been made by the EFCC. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.